Hi, welcome back on To It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to import contacts in your Galaxy M15. To do this operation, slide up, go to contact here, click on managed contents, this here, and there is an import contact. So when you click on it, allow, and select where to import your contacts from. So from phone, SIM or SIM2. Click on whatever you want, click the contact which you want to import, done, and select where to import this contacts to. You can send it in right here in the Samsung Cloud phone, SIM2 or Google account, yep. So let's choose the SIM second, and as you see, contact was been important. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!